Hello, in this video I'll tell you how to draw a hexagon. Hexagon, as you know, there are 6 sides. So we'll repeat 6. As there are 6 sides, so repeat 6. Curly bracket. FW again, same way. If you want to draw a bigger hexagon, you'll write 100. If you want to draw a smaller hexagon, you'll write 50. FW 100, TR either 360 divided by 6 and in bracket closed, or directly you can write 360 and curly bracket closed. As soon as you press enter, you will get a hexagon on the screen. So this way you can draw a hexagon on the screen.